In a cozy living room, a family transforms a rainy afternoon into a kitchen studio where everyone designs a new family tradition. The parents lead with curiosity, letting kids choose a challenge, baking scones, and building a simple cardboard city, teaching collaboration. Through missteps and laughter, the children learn patience, negotiation, and how to express ideas clearly while listening to others. By the end, they create a traditions map, listing 3 acts they will repeat monthly, strengthening trust and memory. The lesson: small shared projects build confidence, empathy, and resilience, turning ordinary days into lasting family bonds.